right, so I did find Biscuit for those of my Facebook friends and neighbors who knew that Biscuit ran away for a short time, but I did find him. He's home sweet home, thank God. Okay, and I am going to put up my back fence tonight to prevent this from happening anymore. But for any attorneys watching who is wondering about me filing for attorney's fees, I got a letter today from the law clerk. Larissa McGrew is law clerk to Judge Benoni. Dear Ms. Jeswali, this will acknowledge receipt of your petition for attorney's fees, special relief, in advance and equitable distribution, which was received in the judge's office on February 16th, 2022. So basically, I am just trying to get attorney's fees at this point however I can, which I talked to Judge Silvis about this yesterday. In regards to the petition, please be advised under the rules of civil procedure, it must first be presented as a motion, and the opposing side must have the opportunity to respond so that the court may make a determination if this matter should be remanded to the divorce master and a hearing held. Okay, so I'll keep reading. Since there are hearings set up on your outstanding emergency contempt petitions at 1:30 on February 28th, thank you for recognizing that these are outstanding emergency contempt petitions. They are outstanding, yes. The court is going to hear this motion at the same time. Please make sure that you have presented this petition to the plaintiff's attorney and have filed it with the Westmoreland County's prothonotary office. Very truly yours. Okay, so I did already send Adam and Eric a copy of this in the mail. So I emailed them copies, and then I also mail them once they're time-stamped as a courtesy. I don't have to do that. I can do however I like. So I don't know if they're trying to say that I never served them, because I already did. Now, I don't know that I emailed them the special contempt, but I'll mail them right now or here in a couple minutes. But I did mail them a timestamp copy. And I already filed a motion. It was called Motion for Special Relief, Advance, and it was called Motion for Attorney's Fees and Special Relief. So I've done these things. However, the problem is the opposing side, of course, is not going to be okay with this. And two, the divorce master is ridiculous. For one, Geno and I already worked out an agreement with Pastor Buck on a recorded Zoom meeting that honestly benefits him more than it does me as far as a divorce agreement. Just give me half of my retirement, please. I'm actually could be entitled to more than half of that, and give me half custody of my kids, which I should. I need my kids back full time. They deserve to be with me. They should not have to be subject to these abusers anymore or ever, but whatever I can do, right? So anyways, I'm getting real fed up with Eric D just pretending like I'm not filing these motions. If I can file motions correct, or I'm not serving them correctly, if I can serve everybody correctly all the way up to Supreme Court, I'm pretty sure I can serve Geno happily a PFA hearing, which I did, and they know I did, and I have proof in my email that I did serve it to everyone as well, including Geno, Eric, and Adam. And the divorce master. So the divorce master, for us to go before a divorce master, he wants to charge each of us $3,500 each. And he said that is just the minimum. And what the divorce master does is he looks at all the assets and the situation, and then he makes a suggestion to the judge. And she doesn't have to take that suggestion, as our divorce master, who is in limbo right now, has already told me. So we're gonna pay you $7+ grand to make a to make a determination and give it to the judge, but she doesn't have to take that determination at all. I don't know. I don't want to do that. Who would, you know? So anyways, especially when this could be easily settled outside of court. But do I want to just take half of my retirement and nothing else? No, I don't. But I was trying to be easy. Of course, I want my house, I want my cars, I want everything. Well, number one, I want my kids. But these are two separate matters, but they kind of go together. I mean, they do go together, divorce and custody in most situations. And we do have spousal support court tomorrow, which I'm still trying to get my spousal support back after 2 years, because I still deserve more spousal support based on the Pennsylvania laws. But I had that taken away from me while I was in jail and have not been able to get it back. And if you watch any of my videos, I've talked a lot about different times of me trying to get my spousal support back and what has happened to me. And so anyways, the hearing was the 25th, and they scheduled this hearing like months out. And then they changed it. I got a letter in the mail like a month ago saying, or maybe longer than a month ago, saying they're changing it to the 24th. And then I got the text today, 2 texts, or yesterday, confirming both the 24th and the 25th. So I called domestic relations. Of course, they didn't call me back today. I emailed Eric D. And the title, or in the subject, is support court tomorrow or Thursday or Friday. And then he never responded either. And then I realized I have Monique Mears' direct number, who Monique Mears is our hearing officer for this, which is tomorrow. So I called there, talked to, I don't know if it was Monique or her secretary, very nice person, very nice woman. It is tomorrow. So then I emailed Eric D. like, it is tomorrow. Please make sure your client is there, because I just have a feeling he's not going to be there. And it's about 6 o'clock, so I'm going to call my kids and hope that I get through to talk to them. All right, thanks. Bye.